knowledge is power. But at St. Anthony Academy, knowledge is far more than power. It is the bridge that connects dreams to reality. It is the seed that blossoms into life of meaning and service. It is the light that dispels ignorance, a torch that brightens the darkest spot, a flame that ignites courage, and a gift that empowers us to dream even bigger. For 64 years, St. Anthony Academy has remained faithful to its noble mission to form minds that think, reason, and create. At SAA, we are not trained to memorize facts like machines. We are guided to seek wisdom, to question bravely, and to understand deeply. Within these humble walls, we learn that education is not just about lessons and lectures. It is about life. It is about becoming the best version of ourselves, so that we may one day touch the life with others with compassion and truth. Our classrooms are not merely rooms. They are gateways to endless horizon. Our books are not burdens. They are keys that unlock treasures of the world. We, the student, are not just learners. We are leaders in the making. In our teachers, oh, they are not mere instructors. They are inspirers, encouragers, and everyday heroes who light our way. And every lesson we learn, and every challenge we face, we discover that knowledge is not just about grades or medals. It is about growth, grit, and grace. It is about rising after every mistake and believing that every challenge is a chance to become better, braver, and wiser. Because learning at St. Anthony Academy is not only about sharpening the mind, it is also about strengthening the heart. It is about learning to care, to serve, and to live with faith, with compassion. We are taught not only to succeed, but to stand for truth, to walk in love, and to build our world where kindness is our greatest wisdom. Today, I stand before you, a proud and grateful grade 8 student, for at St. Anthony Academy, my mind is sharpened, my faith is deepened, my future is brightened. Truly, learning at St. Anthony Academy is life-changing. It has given me the courage to dream, to decide, and to make a difference. As we celebrate SAA 64, forming minds, nurturing hearts, transforming lives, let us remember, the power of learning does not end in our classrooms. It continues in how we think, how we love, how we live out the value taught to us within these sacred halls. That, my dear friend, is the power of learning, a power that transforms the mind, touches the heart, and changes the world. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Fly to the moon and walk away from all the stars. Everything is like our dream, it's our mind. In other words, hold my They say that school is not just a building, but a beacon of hope. And for 64 blessed years, St. Anthony Academy has been exactly that a light that has guided countless minds and hearts towards truth, goodness, and love. At SAA, learning is not about passing tests or getting high grades. It is about discovering who we are and who God called us to become. Each day in our classroom, we are taught not only to read and write, but to reflect and to care. We learn that success without compassion is empty, that brilliance without humility is blind, and that knowledge without faith is powerless. For true wisdom shines only when the heart is kind. For 64 years, our beloved St. Anthony Academy has been forming minds that think critically, reason wisely, and dream courageously. It has been nurturing hearts that feel deeply, serve sincerely, and forgive freely. And it continues transforming lives, young lives like ours, molded in faith, strengthened in virtue, and guided by love. Our teachers are more than educators. They are torchbearers of trust, patience, and inspiration. Our parents and guardians, they are our first mentor in faith and love. And we, the students, we are the flames they kindle, burning brighter each day with a fire of curiosity, hope, and compassion. At SAA, we are taught that greatness not begins with pride, but with purpose, not with boasting, but with believing that we can make a difference. One kind word, one good deed, one prayer at a time. Yes, the world outside can be uncertain, full of noise, confusion, and doubt. But we, the Antonian youth, carry within us a light that cannot be dim, a light of faith that stands firm, of charity that serves, and of humility that serves. And so, as we celebrate 64 years of SAA's mission, we pledge to continue the journey, to learn with excellence, to live with integrity, and to love with a heart like Christ. Because being an Antonian is more than a name. It is a call to shine where others see darkness, to build where others destroy, and to love when others choose hate. For we are St. Anthony Academy, a community of faith, of hope, and of compassion. We are the dreamers who believe. We are the doers who serve. We are the youth who will transform the world. This is our promise. This is our power. This is our purpose. That, my dear Antonians, it is what it means to be part of SAA's story. A story that continues to form minds, nurture hearts, and transform lives through the power of learning and love. We are the light of St. Anthony Academy, and together we will shine for God and for our country. Thank you, and may God bless us all. kung saan ko sisimulan. Binibigyan ko lang larawan na para ba ikaw ang nag-iisang bituin, nagsisilbing buwan na kapiling mo. Sa likod ng mga ulap mo, tayo lamang ang tanging maghahanap.
Ikot sa paligid, umaawit-awit, nagtutulad na sa nagkakaakit-akit mo. Pinagdahit, napapabuti mo ang aking puso. Giliw, di mapigil ang puso.
Dami ko, mukhang mapapaamin mo, amin mo. Giliw, napapaliwanag na sa'yo. Damdamin ko, nabagtan mo na. Gusto kita, gusto kita, gusto kita, gusto kita, gusto kita.
Anong salamatan
Gusto kita, gusto kita,
pinapalitan
gusto kita. Ano sa lamang kang meron ka, ako'y nabihag mo na. Nabihag mo na.
Hindi naman talaga sinasadya. Magpapipilitan na tayo para sa isa't
Giliw, napapaliwanag na sa'yo. Damdamin ko, gusto kita.
You know it sound dirty like it ain't nothing. Black car, party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bar showing. Set it up, ain't setting up. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yeah, she know it, yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it, yeah, she know it. Bad bitch and she already know it. Yeah, she know it, yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a mí. El ritmo como lo quiero, como si yo quisiera. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, Estamos rompiendo la discoteca, la fiesta no para una comienza. Se cansa, la 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 la. Every time the beat drop. Ready people not warning, some was splinter. Pick up a gun in a real life nothing. When the things that come